Hello and welcome to the Refracted Light Fiber Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to work the 2/2 left-leaning cable with a decrease on the right side. This is a cable that is used in my Fool of a Toque hat pattern, and I developed this cable myself, so I'm making this tutorial to help you all get a better sense of how to work it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let me show you how to do the 2/2 left-leaning cable with a right decrease. So first I'm going to work my selvage here. Oops. Get up to the place where we're going to do the decrease. So for this cable, I'm going to work up to 1 stitch before the cable. So I've got the cable I'm going to work set up right here, these 4 stitches. But that stitch right before it, I'm not going to work that because that's one of the stitches that I'm going to be decreasing. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange these 4 stitches here to make the cable, and then we'll work the decrease. So I'm going to slip this stitch from my left needle onto my right needle without working it. Okay. Then I'm going to insert my right needle into the 3rd and 4th stitches on my left needle from the back of my work. So I'm going to insert that there. Then I'm going to pull those 4 stitches off of my needle and insert my left needle back into those 2 that were hanging free on the front. Okay, now I'm going to pull those across each other. So this is how I'm rearranging the stitches for my cable. And then I'm going to insert these 2 stitches, insert my left needle into these 2 stitches and slide them back. Okay, so now I've just rearranged these 4 stitches for my cable. I'm going to slide this first purl stitch that I slipped back onto my left needle as well. Okay, so what I've done now is I've left this purl stitch unworked and I've rearranged these 4 stitches for the cable. So now all I have to do is I'm going to knit 2 together. So this is going to decrease this stitch, and it's going to be the first stitch of my cable together with that purl stitch. I'm going to knit those 2 together. That's the right decrease. And then I'm going to just knit the remaining 3 stitches of my cable, and that is how you work that decrease. So you can kind of see here that knit 2 together. That creates a decrease that is seamless with the cables.